Okay, we've got our frame in all the way around. Now we're gonna lift up this window, push it in there, and then fasten it with screws. So let's hope it fits.
Yeah. Yeah.
Loaded.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I mean, you know. Yeah.
Mike, you call me, man.
All right.
See what you're talking about.
We're gonna put this window in. So this opening over here is larger. It's larger than our window, so we're gonna have to frame it down, reframe that opening just like we did the door, and then set that window in there. By the end of the day, hopefully the front of this house will be looking a little bit less like the hood and more like a buy. We got 49 3/4, 49 3/4, and we've got 47 5/8. So that gives us 2 1/8. So can't put two 2x4s there. So what I'm going to have to do now, I'm going to have to rip down some 3/4 inch plywood, 9 inches tall, 5.5 inches deep. And screw that on both sides here, and that'll give us the proper width to mount. So first we're going to rip the length, and then we'll looks like we're out of chalk. Let's try that again. This here is our chalk line, or our string line, going in 5 inches. I'm going to mark 5 inches, make a mark line, make sure your line is right on top of your marks, pull it tight, snap, snap. We'll have our first strip for that window frame over there. Okay, so let's test our math. We have 47 5/8 is the width of this window, and we got 48 1/4. Yeah, we got about 5/8, just a little over 1/4 on each side. So now we're gonna figure out where our bottom board is gonna go, so we can figure out the height. Okay, we've got our frame in. It's going to support the window. Now we got to put the siding on. So basically, we're going to rip some plywood down, go all the way around there, and then we're going to set our window in. Let's hope it fits.
Looks like you need some help. I got the little young blood right there. He's hungry to work, man.
I got this one pretty much whooped, I think.
Oh yeah, you're done. Whenever. Yeah, hey, that permit, man. I went down to El Paso with some family man. I came back, they fucking broke in, stole my tools. And then I would have.
Where? House?
Yeah, no, right here.
Van?
Yeah, from my van. And they had no problem, so everything got all problem, everything all the same day, but so I got all yeah. They pay for it, they give my money back, so I got my tools and this, and I had a problem with the lady, too fine with it. So everything got all picked up, but we're good now. But yeah, just wanted to let you know. Yeah, if you need something or somebody right here. I tried to do a window myself, but I couldn't do it. I had to pay somebody to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go back and do something. Definitely need some of that stuff. Steve, bro.
Hey, see you, bro. Take care. All right, see you later.
This beautiful window is in. It looks great. The only thing left to be the siding. I'm gonna use this cedar board. Something like that. Do something like that. It's gonna look beautiful.